And here we are, the final video for this project. Get the super glue tube ready here. And now we'll start with this third. Get the glue applied. Should just need a single line. Now to close the glue back up. And I'm going to use this clip to hold it at the base. There we go. Now I want the middle piece. Just line it up and hold it down long enough here, and then the glue will sit. Just give it enough time to firmly grip. And form the bond. Maybe it'd be best if I just let it do its thing without my involvement. Maybe that'll be for the best. Move that other third over. And I think it's had enough time now to set initially. Very nice. These two are together now. Still give it some time like this though, let gravity help it out. Very nice. Alright, now we're here for the other part, the final third. To get the super glue tube unclipped and opened up. And put a little line of super glue on this part here. That should do. Seal the glue back up once more. And get it clipped out of the way again. Now to bring in the final third and mount it. And hold it like this for a while till it has had a chance to set. Feeling really happy about how this is coming together. Really pleased with the entire thing. Just leave it setting like this for a little while longer though. And now for the big reveal. Give it a nice turn around here. Could not be happier with how this turned out. Really pleased with everything. Happy with all the colors. Happy with, well, happy with everything. How the airbrush worked. Keeping in mind this was my first use of it. Really pleased with how the 3D print came out. Liked the gray on the sides. It's much better than the white, which I had originally started out with. Very happy with how it looks. Really just pleased with the entire experience. Hey there everyone, just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and want to see more, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did enjoy the video, how about giving it a thumbs up? Alright, I will see you all next time.